How do I add Avax to Metamask? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys the easiest and fastest way to go ahead and add Avax to your Metamask wallet. As usual, if you like this channel, please sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell below. I will go ahead and provide you guys with the latest up-to-date blockchain information that you need to know. Let's go ahead and dive right in here. You can see chainlist.org is one of my top tools for going ahead and adding different chains to my Metamask. I'm going to go ahead and enable the dark mode and connect my Ethereum wallet. You can see here now I'm logged in. From there, the easiest way is just to scroll down here. You can either type in Avax up here, or you can see it popped up at the top there. Just go ahead and add it to Metamask, and then just hit approve right here, and press switch network. Bada boom, bada bang, you have added Avax to your Metamask. Very simple, very easy to use. Let's go ahead and check this out. You can see now we have 0.4 Avax in our wallet. Anyways, thank you guys for viewing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.